Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah An-Nisa, وَالَّذِينَ يُنْفِقُونَ أَمْوَالَهُمْ رِئَاءَ النَّاسِ وَلَا يُؤْمِنُونَ بِاللَّهِ وَلَا بِالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ وَمَنْ يَكُنِ الشَّيْطَانُ لَهُ قَرِينًا فَسَاءَ قَرِينًا. Translation: And those who spend their wealth only to show the people and do not believe in Allah nor in the last day, and who take shaitan, devil, as their companion, so evil is he as a companion. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in the previous ayah, that the non-believers hoard their wealth miserly, and they tell other people also to hold their wealth as well and do not spend in the path of Allah. And these people, if they spend just to show off, and their spending of wealth for any good reason is not to get the pleasure of Allah, not to get the goodness of hereafter, but only to be popular in this world, only to get more of this world, so that when they spend, people will say that this man is very generous and he is spending in the path of Allah. These people do not believe in the hereafter. These people do not believe in Allah, and their only goal is to get more and more of this world. And that is the reason that internally they are very miser, they are very stingy. However, they are trying to buy the good name with their wealth, so that they are spending their wealth. And these people are self-centered, these people are arrogant, and these people are just showing off, and they are spending only to get more name in this world. However, in their hearts they want to just save that money, and in their heart they want to keep the money with themselves and never spend, but they want to earn the good name in the world. That's why they are spending, and they are not believers. They are not believer in Allah, they are not believer in the hereafter. The charity and spending that is acceptable is the charity that is done with the sincere heart, with the only goal that Allah accepts us and Allah is happy, and just to gain the pleasure of Allah. If an spending is with this intention, this is acceptable. If the spending is to get the fame and the good name in this world, that the spending is not accepted. So let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and help us spend in the path of Allah just to gain Allah's pleasure. Ameen. And one last thing about this ayah, that these people, their companion is the devils and shaitan, and these devils try to make them happy and keep them happy in themselves, and they reassure them that they are doing good deeds. However, in reality they are not doing any good deeds, and they are just earning hellfire for them. Oh Allah, give us true understanding of Quran and help us expand in the path of Allah. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.